Hello everyone, welcome to Complete Picture. Today I'm gonna show you how silk made from silkworm. The processing of silk in the factory you're gonna see in this video, so keep watching till the end and enjoy the silkworm processing technology. So silk is a very soft and luxurious fabric. To make 1 kilogram of silk you need about 2,500 silkworms. Let's explore how silk is made from this silkworm. Silk was discovered when a cocoon fell into a tea of in the China, revealing a long and silky thread. Today, the most of the world's silk come from China, but some silk enthusiasts go to Thailand for finest threads. The process in silk factories starts from breeding silkworms. Healthy adult females are chosen for reproduction and they lay their eggs on suitable surface. These eggs are kept in controlled conditions for optimal development. Once hatched, the tiny silkworms feed on mulberry leaves to grow. Maintaining proper conditions is crucial for their healthy development. Rearing silkworm requires consistent care. Silk factory supervise the breeding process, ensure proper nutrition and conditions. Silkworm need to increase their weight by 10,000 times to become silk producing larvae. They are strictly vegetarian, feeding only on fresh mulberry leaf collected by hand. After growing and being adequately fed, the silkworm start forming silk cocoon. Over 40 days and nights, they weave a protective cocoon using special liquid substance produce their silk glands. The cocoon consists of continuous silk thread that can reach several hundred meters. Once the cocoons are formed, they are carefully harvested. Workers examine and select optimal cocoon for harvesting. The cocoon undergo a thermal treatment to kill the worm inside the facilitated to extraction of silk threads. The threads are then unwound, cleaned and processed for further weaving. The collected silk threads are cleaned to remove impurities, washed and spun from stronger yarns. If color is desired, the thread undergo a drying process. Finally, the silk threads are woven into a soft, light and elegant fabric using loom. In the factories, automated spinning wheel and giant mechanical loom produce large quantities of silk fabric quickly. The collected silk thread undergo the miscellaneous cleaning process to remove impurities. If the specific color is desired, the threads go through the dyeing process, and finally the threads woven into soft and light elegant fabric into loom using looms. The final fabric is then ready for commercialization and distribution. In modern silk factories, automation play a significant role. automated spinning wheels and giant mechanical looms can be produce large quantities of silk fabric quickly. The final fabric is then ready for commercialization and distribution, bringing the journey of silk from silkworm to fabric full circle. So this is the life cycle of silkworm and silk production in the factory. So hope you love this video, and please share with your friends and family if you love this video, and might be interested any other videos. So please tell me please tell me in the comment what kind of a video you want to watch next, and thank you for watching once again.